I mean, the pressure is on right now for the Blues to continue to win, and they have had a great homestand so far with the 2 victories against teams that they're supposed to beat. But in the locker room right now, that if they don't win this game, they're going to lose ground to either Winnipeg or Nashville, or both, depending on what happens there.
And now Kucherov off the boards, and ahead to point. He races in the clear, and a glove save, and a beauty by Binnington.
Just like that.
Kucherov in there against Bouwmeester. And then Johnson for Kucherov. Lots of time back there. He'll feed it back. And a shot on goal by Chernak. Rebound, Binnington made the right pass save!
Corkscrews the elbow a little bit there. Here's the shot off the cuff of the glove. Binnington thinks he's got it. He makes a marvelous save with his right pad.
And now one-handed ahead by O'Reilly. At the line, Tarasenko up the middle and a goal! Hooked! Rebound! Saved by Vasilevsky, and a penalty coming up here against Tampa Bay for hooking.
Boy, he worked on those one-timers with Mike Van Ryn this morning after practice for a long time.
Here he is again, done across. Bozak, the drive, rebound, they score! Robert Thomas! A power play goal!
1-0 lead, and the Blues are getting their scoring from all over now. But it's Robert Thomas on the near side here that jumps in there. And he's got an easy one, but he makes sure that that gets beyond the goaltender, Vasilevsky, who is so quick, but he couldn't come back on that one.
Vasilevsky plays one back to the corner. And now Palat, watched by Sanford. He stole it in front. Sanford a drive. Rebound. They score! It is 2-0 as Steen gets it done. And Darren Payne, that is what you would call a dirty goal.
Absolutely. Drive hard to that net, but they're doing an excellent job of putting pucks on the net and not reluctant to shoot them. They're firing them.
Now Johnson a drive, blocked by Bouwmeester. So the first goal, Thomas from Dunn and Bozak. The last goal, Steen from Sanford. Here are the Blues again, O'Reilly in. Tarasenko, he scores! Unbelievable!
Around the long reach of the 6'6" Hedman, and with one knee on the ice, Tarasenko just has to bang that home, and he quickly goes to O'Reilly and says, great pass.
3 goals in 75 seconds. And the Blues fire it deep, and they make a change on the fly. And this packed house at Enterprise is jumping. Now Pietrangelo the drive, tip, rebound Sundqvist. What a save by Vasilevsky.
It hits McDonough, I think, in front of the net. The rebound comes right to Sundqvist, and you got to take a look at the save. Watch Vasilevsky. He tracks the puck, doesn't know where it is for a second. How about that for a stretch of the left leg and a cat-like reflex to get his left side over there?
There it is, right to the side. Oh no, that was a strap actually, but it was right underneath his pants.
Lightning get the face-off in front. They score! Killorn, a short-handed goal.
The Tampa Bay Lightning, and that is Exhibit A, why you cannot take your foot off the gas against this hockey club. So they got nothing going, even strength, but their penalty kill gives them a spark now. The face-off was won right there, and O'Reilly thinks that Alex Pietrangelo is going to get at it. Instead, it's Killorn that gets at it.
At the line, Shen for O'Reilly. That pass picked off, and McDonough has a man in front, and Braden Point tips it in, and it's 3-2.
That fluttery pass come across, and he could easily step up into it right there. That pass there by Ryan O'Reilly. He's going to Tarasenko on the far side, but here comes McDonough, and he's waiting and waiting and waiting, and he finds Braden Point driving hard to the net. And Braden Point has got 40 goals on the year.
Binnington, and the rebound is grabbed by Shen. Now Bortuzzo leaves it for Tarasenko to Shen. Wide open chance, and what a save by Vasilevsky on Shen, who is in the clear.
Glances off the backhand and doesn't touch the pad of the goaltender. You see his left pad, and it just goes on wide right there.
Here's Dunn for Sanford.
I think many coaches would have pulled the goaltender. John Cooper has not pulled his goaltender during the course of a game.
Now Tarasenko wide open, rebound, Shen, he scores! What a play! I don't believe it!
That certainly gets things lit up here once again for the Blues. Now with a 2-goal lead. Barbashev got in on the hunt here on McDonough. He was relentless on it, great stick work, and he finds the open man, Tarasenko. A hard shot by Tarasenko, and a remarkable play by Brayden Schenn. Watch the footwork of Schenn. He's going to spin around here. Oh, going to go in the backhand, and somehow it's find its way underneath the goaltender.
Dropped off to Johnson in the slot. Sundqvist back check. He made a good play. And now Dunn softly ahead to Pietrangelo. In for Perron. For Schwartz. The net shot. What a save by Vasilevsky on Schwartz. Set up by David Perron. And Tampa back the other way. Point trying to get free in the slot. Drops it for Johnson. And the Lightning with it. Point. Toe drag. And a save by Binnington. It got behind him. But Pietrangelo was in the right spot at the right time.
Well, Pietrangelo's used to playing against the other team's best players.
And on the boards for Point. Palat again. Good stick by Schwartz to block it. Now centered. Stamkos shoots. He scores! Stamkos!
Well, once again, the Tampa Bay Lightning hungry on the puck right there. And I just mentioned how strong they are on sticks. They're relentless. And JT Miller deserves a lot of credit here on this play. And they've got the Blues hemmed in there in their own zone. There's the strong play by Miller. I don't think Bouwmeester saw him coming. And now you take a look at this shot in the angle. Let this roll here with a little bit of a screen. And the sniper, Steven Stamkos, beats him high to the glove side. But what a play by JT Miller, his right winger. The left point, he slid right to the goal. No.
And Sundqvist gets it away from Colbert. Blues ahead, 2-on-1 now. Pietrangelo for Schwartz, wide open. Great save by Vasilevsky on Schwartz. His second great chance in this third. And the Blues work it low. Ivan Barbashev. Center ice line for O'Reilly. Away from him, Cirelli. He works in for the Lightning with a play and a shot and a great glove save as Binnington made that look easy after what a play by Cirelli.
That Cirelli is some gamer. Through Vince Dunn. Goaltender's got it there ready. How many saves have we seen from Jordan Binnington where he doesn't even move his glove?
Point. Good stick by Barbashev, but the Lightning get in deep. And now Point drops it off for Hedman. Stamkos shoots. He scores! And they have tied the game at 4.
It glances off the stick blade, and that's what fools the goalie Jordan Binnington. Off the top of the blade of Colton Parayko and in the net. And clearly the puck's not over the line, but the right skate is.
After video review, it was determined the play was offside, therefore there's no goal.
Bouwmeester swarmed by a couple of Lightning players. And then Barbashev goes down, no call. Puck in front, and Steen puts it back in his goal crease area. And there's a major scrum. And Parayko can't cover. Stamkos fired wide by Kucherov, and it's off the boards and out. Blues dodged a bullet there. Steered wide by Stamkos. 5 to go. Lightning center it. And that'll do it. As the Blues hang on and win a thriller 4-3. A frantic finish at Enterprise. As the Blues win their 40th victory of the year. And they sweep the season series against the team with the best record in the NHL.